quite amazing because it didn't just cover machine learning concept, it started from the basics. We invested around 3 days time to deeply cover statistics, and then later on we built from that foundation. We covered all machine learning algorithms. We discussed many industry level projects like how we can use natural language processing and sentiment analysis. We also built machine learning linear regression model kind of from base. What are the formulas used in it? How those formulas are derived? And at last, I would also like to thank Vijay sir. He is such an amazing mentor. And with this, I would like to end my feedback. Thank you, sir.
We didn't have any idea of what is an artificial intelligence and what is a machine learning and what's the difference between AI and ML. And sir taught us very good way, like even a layman can understand the words of sir what he taught. And this AI is complete a revolution which takes.
Hello everyone, I am Harsh Pratap Singh from AIML department at SVIT Sai Vidya Institutes. So the section was really very amazing, and the teaching it is the most good way of teaching, like the way sir have taught us, and we really enjoyed the sessions. And the most important thing was, like, we have seen the another face of AI and ML, like by seeing we were not aware that analyzing the data could be done in this and so many methods. So this was very new to us, and we have really got interest to learn it. And the session was really amazing, and in between sessions really some good topics, and this was really a good topic. And I would thank the department for serving sir to us. Thank you, sir.
The idea of AI that we had before the workshop has completely changed, especially after acknowledging the fact that there is a great amount of statistics that is involved. So that idea is what made me to attend the sessions every day so that I get a complete idea of what statistics is. So yes, I think that was a major highlight of the sessions.
And some concepts that seemed to be difficult before we attend this workshop now seems much more easier than before.
I mean, the concepts are one part of the thing, but also what I learned was, till now I used to wonder what actually AI is and how ML model works. But now that I've attended this workshop, I clearly have a image or a picture in my head that how exactly it works and what exactly you do there. So that's what.
Didn't know what is AI ML since we never had this topic in previous sems. Now we got to know what AI ML is. So this workshop was very helpful, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
After this workshop, it has become much clearer, and what is the required knowledge, like statistics and all. So it has helped me a lot.
Yeah, I had no idea that statistics had this much of a major role in machine learning. It was certainly eye-opening. I thought it was just coding and designing, but statistics and math is a very important subject. I'm thankful I realized that from sir who has a great experience in teaching. Thank you.
We actually loved and enjoyed having Vijay sir teach us all along, and his favorite quote or tagline, we could say,
Then there is no measurement. If there is no measurement, then there is no prediction. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here, which was referred by our seniors. So it's very good. I'm truly honored for getting the knowledge and gaining the experiences from the very good people. Not only about the technical and the theory, we already learned how to interact with each other and interact with the people of our team.
Offline. Thanks to my seniors, they suggested this Certisured organization, and I found out Mr. Vijay who brushed up our basic knowledge of Python, and I am good and thankful to him because of quick brush up of Python basics, and because of him we got some challenges where we got some real-time analysis of some data, and we have solved some of the challenges also. And thank you. I'm looking ahead for good projects.
And we will be going ahead and seeing how many. So we want to help you overcome that, especially with our program here. Because of that, our program is fully activity-based, game-based, and all these different things.
My senior suggested this In our previous sem also we had Python, but the teachers just used to give us a code and we used to execute it. But here we learned how to code it on our own. So, and the sessions were very.
Workshops are either one of the above. Either A, they tell you about the industry, but not about, say, what are the exact technicalities about how, like, what are the tools that we are going to use and how to use those tools. Or they focus on the tools itself, but not how the industry is about, or what would be the usage of those tools. What I liked about the workshop would be both learned about the industry and we learned about the tools that we will be using if we get into the industry or when we get into the industry.
We have to operate a separate lab type structure inside our computer to make these things happen, and how much processing power it requires. So it was good. I came to know so much about the basics of cybersecurity, how big this field can be.
He's really good actually. Like in online, online and in an online environment, teachers usually aren't that engaging, but he is somehow. But it was very well done.
It was a fun experience. 2 hours a day, we got to interact with the people who are passionate about the subject, especially Sir. I mean, he knows a lot about every domain. I could have asked about any small thing, and just of doubts, he would gladly give me time and clear it out. So yeah, I loved it. It was a great experience.
And he is a pretty much good speaker. Like he handle बार-बार डाउट्स पूछता था कि कोई बंदा अलोन ना फील करे कि ये बंदा आराम से बैठा नहीं, तो सर मतलब बार-बार डाउट पूछता था कि ये बंदा भी आराम से बात करे. So he is a pretty good speaker.
This was something new, right? So I was very interested in it when I started. It was very interesting.
So how was the machine learning workshop? Out of full emotion. How was the workshop? Thank you. Let me know, how did you find the workshop?
And good experience.
It was excellent.
Thank you.
It's a good experience. It was very nice.
Thank you.
It's very great pleasure. Nice experience.
It was very great experience, sir.
A professional learning experience.
Well, and hats off to all the trainers. I think they were pretty to hear about your feedback and how you enjoyed your classes, and that was encouraging to them, I believe.